In 1986, a simple floppy disk saved millions of lives. This is that story. April 26th, Chernobyl. Reactor 4 was running a safety test when everything went wrong. The reactor started overheating, fast. The operators knew they had only one way to stop it. They needed to activate the emergency shutdown. But here's the problem. The shutdown code was on an old floppy disk. Someone rushed to find it. This disk had been sitting in storage for years. Nobody knew if it would even work. They put it in the computer. Everyone held their breath. The reactor kept getting hotter. Time was running out. Then the disk started reading. The code loaded. The shutdown sequence began. The reactor cooled down. That little floppy disk just stopped a nuclear disaster. Subscribe to hear more incredible stories like this.